My name is Michael. I'm the managing partner of DISC. We're a sports clinic, so we do everything musculoskeletal, bone, muscle, joint, and we are non-surgical. We started about 7 years ago with my partner, and now we're present in Dubai and in Kuwait. So the main problem that led us to start with ZIWO was that we were receiving a huge amount of calls from our patients. And we were using a normal PBX before, and we didn't really know how many calls we were dropping. So we knew that we're not doing a good job because we had a lot of complaints from the patients saying they couldn't get through. And this is when I thought we could do better. And I have approached ZIWO. And the idea was to use the power of data, the statistics, to understand really where we could do better. My experience has been great. We had a rough start in terms of technicalities to make sure that we had the right internet connection, the right router, but I have to say that the experience, the customer experience has been really good. The support is always there. So it took us about, I would say, 3 months to really get to a point where everything is working fine, and now we enjoy all the services. Before, we used to have 2 clinics in Dubai and a reception team in each clinic, and they were answering calls, servicing patients. And with ZIWO, we realized that the best option was to have a call center. So just the call center itself has increased the productivity of agent tremendously. But where ZIWO really contributes is we understand what's happening. We understand how much time each agent is spending on the phone. And the main aspect is, first, we completely dropped the number of unanswered calls, something like 90%. So now we are answering the calls, and that turns into volume of patients, happy patients, because when you are in pain, when you call a clinic, it's not like booking a restaurant. When you're in pain, you want your call to be answered. So for us to be able to track all these calls is extremely important. The second aspect, which is excellent, is the accessibility to the calls and the way our patient experience manager can listen to calls, and that turns into opportunity of training. So anytime we have a patient who is not satisfied, we can listen to the call and we can create the training that is appropriate. And I know the team enjoy it very much because they can really understand easily what can be done differently in a better way. The beauty of ZIWO, it can be anywhere. So it's not like every time we go to a new country, we have to find a new system. We can tweak ZIWO in Dubai and then immediately replicate it everywhere. So that's very important, because especially if we're going to invest in the integration with ZIWO, we know we can do it once, and all the clinics everywhere in the region or beyond will benefit from the work that has been done. Where I've been very impressed, honestly, with ZIWO, again, is the customer experience. The Tamir, who is taking care of our account, always willing to help, always happy. I mean, it's technical, right? So problems happen every time there is something technical. And for me, I really sincerely feel that ZIWO wants to give me the best service, wants to integrate with us. So indeed, I see it as a partnership where if we were to invest more also on the integration, I know we can do that because there is this spirit of partnership from both sides. So today we're using the features that are there, but we imagine in future integrating even more with ZIWO, because really the experience of the patient starts from the phone calls and when the patient is treated and is discharged. And it's not something which is separate, it's just one line of treatment. So in future, to be able to capture that data and be able to analyze it with the medical data, I think would be really vital to create that 21st century patient experience.